Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Kaspa video update. So we're going to revisit a video that was made almost 3 days ago for Kaspa when we were pumping up again. We went down and I give you a technical target, but then in the middle we pump back up. But I wasn't in the favor of this pump, and I was telling you that I still believe we're looking for a down move. So let's look at this video.
You came down, you made the bear flag right over there, you pushed down. Now, even though you didn't meet, you were close to the technical target, okay? You came very, very near the target, you can see right there. But in the middle, you actually pushed to the upside, but you can see that now this was a support here, went down, has turned into a resistance. That's what you have to understand. It still doesn't mean that we're pushing up from here, especially now that at the resistance you've made a bearish candle as well. One green and the one red, almost like a bearish engulfing, means reversal and you're looking for a move down. You can
Okay, simple. All right, so that was the whole highlight of the video, and I'm gonna go back into the charts right over there, and you can see that it pretty much worked the way I told you. So you might want to follow this channel. You might never know see me again. You could lose the link to this channel as well, so do make sure that you're following. And right now I'm gonna tell you that I've actually entered the trade for Kaspa, and I'm looking for Kaspa to try to move up to this technical target now, because for me, the storm is maybe over. Okay, and what I mean by the storm is maybe over is that you've moved 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth wave as well. Okay, so fifth wave, Elliott wave theory is already done. We might be looking at an ABC correction and a start to move to the upside as well. So there's something very, very interesting about CAS to me personally, and I'm going to go through them one by one. Number one is that this is an amazing entry. The reason, number one, for this one being very good is that you have a trend line with one support, second support, third support, and this is your number 4 support. So anytime you came to the support, you bounced back up, you bounced here, and you bounced there as well. I might expect another move to the upside. It's of course a pullback to a support level, so it does make sense to get an entry. Always buy at support, always sell at the resistance. Simple theory. Another thing is, on the 1 hour time frame, I noticed that there's a structure known as a bullish engulfing candlestick. Sorry, no, bullish divergence, sorry. So on the 1 hour time frame, this is what I'm looking at. If I do zoom in into the prices and I do zoom in into the RSI, notice how the prices move down from there and the RSI is moving up from here. So that is a mismatch, and that means that the buyers were stepping in back in 14 of August, like 1-2 days ago, and the prices kept going down, but you can see that the RSI is moving up. So that is also very, very positive. Another thing is, on the 4 hour time frame as well, you're looking at the RSI coming very, very close to this support once again. So you're looking at one support here, second support there. Yeah, there could be a small move down as well, just a little bit of and then try to move back up here. So that's just a very small gap that is still left on the 4 hour time frame. Another thing that is so good is, if I dive into the daily, we are looking at a Fibonacci retracement, and if I take the Fib retracement from this bottom there to this top right over here, you can already see that we are sitting at the 0.618, which is 0.039711. So by the end of the day, in the next 14 hours, okay, in the next 14 hours, we need to see CAS closing above 39711. But to me personally, I entered it because I have my own personal, I'm just doing the math here. If I do the math, you have the 1 hour time frame, which has a bullish divergence. You have the 4 hour time frame support as well. You have the daily 0.618 as your support, which is still pending, so kind of decisive, but I'm more inclined into the idea that it might hold. So it's a whole pattern now. Look at the daily, okay? And this is exactly what I've been talking about. A pattern here, and I've talked about it before, that yes, you broke to the upside, but this is so good that you ended up coming down for the retest. So if you're looking to go to 0.036 or 35, then you probably are going to lose the retest, and you do come down, you come here and you close like this, then it could be down to actually move even way more farther. So my risk at the moment is almost like 6% risk that I'm taking, but it's okay. I do have the the money management, but I think it's worth trying. We're not guaranteed any losses, we're not guaranteed any move to the upside. It's all speculation, it's all trading, it's all probability game. So let's see what happens. Wish me luck. And that's it for this update. I hope you enjoyed this one. Just like the video if you think it was a good explanation of the technicals. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.